Now, let's talk about inserting images, tables, and headers. Images, tables, and headers. Again, it's quite simple. If you wanted to insert anything, all you have to do is go to Insert. Now, once you go to Insert, Image, you can either upload it from a computer, you could search the web, you can upload it from your drive, your Google Photos, or by a URL, or actually take a picture. So it's quite simple. Once you upload it, once you click that upload button, the image just shows up from there. It automatically just shows up from there. You could just pick something you want to pick right there. Double click that. And let's see as that we have just inserted an image. That's how. Very simple. If you wanted to insert an image, you just go to the insert button up here. You go to your image. You upload from a computer if you want it. You search the web if actually the image is on the web, or you can go to your drive, your Google Photos, or you could search by URL or camera. Once you insert that image, you get to just see it in there once you click the insert button. And what is so cool is, as you can see here, I can make it smaller here. I could work it around, I could play with it in different ways that you could use it, move with text, so you could actually play with this stuff too. But that's how you can insert an image into your Google Docs.